Have you ever sent money internationally and been hit with an unexpected fee? It's a common and frustrating experience. You see one number, you hit send, and then suddenly your final cost is higher than you thought. It makes you wonder, are the advertised fees even real, or are there hidden costs lurking? This is a big concern for anyone using a money transfer service, and it's a question a lot of people have about Paysend. They advertise low, fixed fees, but does Paysend have hidden fees? Let's break it down. Paysend is very clear about its fixed fee structure. For most transfers, they charge a flat fee, which is often as low as £1, €1.50, or $1.99, depending on where you're sending from. This fee is always shown up front before you confirm the transaction. So, in terms of a hidden service charge, no, Paysend doesn't have one. What you see for the transaction fee is what you pay. However, there are a couple of other things to keep in mind, and this is where some people might get confused. First, there's the exchange rate. Like all money transfer services, Paysend makes money on the exchange rate, too. While they claim to offer competitive rates, they do add a small margin to the mid-market rate. You'll see the exact rate and the amount your recipient will get before you send, so it's not hidden, but it's a cost you should be aware of. Second, while Paysend's fees are fixed, your bank or your recipient's bank could impose their own charges. This is not a Paysend fee, but it's an extra cost that could affect the total amount your recipient receives. It's a good practice to check with both banks involved to avoid any surprises. So, to answer the question directly, Paysend is very transparent about its own fees. The fixed transfer cost and the exchange rate are clearly shown before you complete your transaction. There are no hidden fees from Paysend itself. The only potential hidden costs would be any charges from external banks, which is something to be mindful of with any international transfer service. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.